So it's about 3 in the morning. We finally made it back on the road. I had quite the adventure coming back from June Mountain. But hey, I'm getting ahead of myself. First, let's see what the day was like. Let's do it. Woo! What? Oh shit.
Oh my god. I'm getting that bounce, I'm getting that boom. This light fluffy powder, that's for sure.
Light fluffy pow indeed.
How's the board ride?
It's pretty nice. I just gotta be careful about when I try to stop.
Yeah.
Because I can very easily just go up and over.
What?
Oh shit. This looks... Let's get it.
You okay? I'm good. My tips got stuck again.
No!
Dude, this is a really cool spot.
I like this.
Yeah.
All right, 3 skip it is.
3 skip! Let's go.
Fucking amateur, dude.
Dude,
Amateur hour.
this is fucking nuts.
Turns out that 3 skip would be our downfall. Now the resort was open until 2, but the highway closed at 1 because of extreme weather. So we got to enjoy the rest of the day, but we didn't get to leave for quite a while.
Yup, so we've been stuck at June Mountain for about 12 hours now. They closed the pass between June and Mammoth, and yeah, there's some pretty gnarly storms at first, but now it's just kind of like blowing around, but it certainly looks like it was intense at some point, and shout out to the California road crews for clearing that up. How you feeling, Zach?
Tired, ready for some sleep and hit the road for a long drive back.
Another 8 hours, here we go.
Little did we know, the highway opening was the least of our worries. Our cabin was at the end of a county road, so we still had to wait until 9:30 for them to come and clear that up. At which point, you know, we didn't even care if the resort was plowed. Tim just did some of his own plowing. But all in all, it was a fantastic trip. I'm so glad I got to go on it. Super appreciative for my friends. Shout out Tim, shout out Zach for going through these trials and tribulations and making it on through.